Here we're taking a look on Friday, January 11th at the foredeck of the Green Mountain Buoy, in particular looking at the framing. It has all been repaired. All the holes have been filled with toothpicks and glue, and all the wood has been sealed with clear penetrating epoxy sealer. In the process, it became clear to us, and is quite clear as we pan along the starboard side of the foredeck, that this main structural component of the underpinning of the foredeck was really completely rotted. So we have replaced it with new material. What's interesting is that on both sides, both port and starboard, this framework is all plywood rather than solid mahogany, and appears to have been plywood when it left the factory. But now we've got a new piece fitted in, and starting next week we will be putting the deck planking back on the Green Mountain Buoy.